Welcome to a new video. Today I am going to tell you what happened to a driver on Interstate number 90, a route that crosses the entire state of South Dakota. This story that I am going to tell you, it happened more precisely in a section that is located between the city of Murdo, located in Jones County, and Mitchell, a city located in Davison County. There are many experiences on routes. Sometimes they are good, and other times not so much. But on some occasions, they are extremely strange, like the one you are going to listen to today.